Good morning, Mr. Xiaoming. Thank you very much for this opportunity for interviewing you in the context of this special Congress that ZTE is having here in Mexico City. And I would like to start this interview by asking you, ZTE often talks about intelligent innovation, and I would like to know your opinion on how this translate to the Latin America countries in terms of user experience, technology transformation?
That's a great question. When we talk about intelligent innovation, we don't mean just adding AI on top of networks. We mean using intelligence in every decision we make, from how we design networks to how we operate them. In Latin America, where every dollar and every watt matters, intelligent innovations is about doing more with less. For example, smarter ODM planning, automatic fault detection, or AI-based power saving. These are not futuristic ideas. They are happening now. Ultimately, intelligent innovation helps operators become faster, greener, and more customer-centric at the same time. It's not technology for technology's sake. It's a wisdom in action.
Thank you for your answer. And I would like to know your opinion about, there are many operators here in Latin America that are facing challenges in terms of monetization and scalability. So how is ZTE helping them to insert into new business models and new ecosystems?
We see the connectivity alone is no longer enough. The next growth wave will come from ecosystem collaboration. Telcos partnering with content providers, game companies, and even governments. ZTE supports this transition by providing, like here in this event, an open ecosystem that allow operators to connect capabilities in a very simple, secure way. Think of it as turning the network into a marketplace of digital experiences. So instead of competing only on price or speed, operators can monetize quality of experience, security, or guaranteed bandwidth. That's the big shift for selling access to selling value.
Thank you for your answer. And now I would like to know, Latin America is now in a phase of greater FTTH expansion. How is ZTE helping them with new technologies like ODN and PON to helping have more greener and faster rollouts?
Yes, fiber is boosting across the region. But we all know that speed or rollout and sustainability must go hand in hand. ZTE is working on digitalized ODN solutions that simplify network design and maintenance, so you can deploy faster with fewer errors or less rework. At the same time, our new generation of optical equipment consumes less power, uses recycled materials, and supports solar or hybrid power sites. So you can think of it as greener fiber, faster fiber. We help operators connect more homes with lower carbon footprint and higher operational efficiency.
My next question will be, AI is now entering the domain access. How is going to be used this technology in the future to predict faults, errors, or to predict how the networks have to have this management and scalability?
AI is finally getting real on broadband. The early use cases we see are quite practical. AI predicting faults before they happen, optimizing ONU performance, or dynamically balancing energy use depending on traffic. In China, some of these capabilities are already deployed at scale. And now we are bringing that experience to Latin America. What's interesting is that AI doesn't just automate, it learns every event, making the network smarter every day. So yes, we are very close to seeing AI as a normal part of network management, not a pilot, or an experiment.
Interoperability and openness are now a requirement for all networks worldwide. How is ZTE working to have ETE compatibility to help all the providers to have this compatibility within networks?
That's a very important point. ZTE has complete end-to-end portfolio, but we never see openness as a threat. It's actually an opportunity. We participate actively in standardization bodies like ITUT, Broadband Forum, and FTTH Council to make sure our innovations align with open architectures. Our system supports interoperability tests and multi-vendor integration. The goal is not to knock customers in, it's to make sure innovation flows freely across the industry. When we combine strong integration with open interfaces, everyone wins. The operators, the partners, and the end users.
And well, my last question will be, if we think in the near future, let's say 5 years ahead, how will you define the success of the operators in Latin America? Who will be the more successful? Will be the one who is faster, the one who is adopting more AI technology? Will be the one who has a better ecosystem? What kind of operator will be the most successful?
Success won't be measured only by how fast your network is, but by how well it adapts to users. The winners will be those who can turn connectivity into personalized experience. Networks that sense demand, allocate resources intelligently, and deliver consistent quality. And of course, sustainability and digital inclusion will be part of that story. So, the best operators will be the ones combining intelligence, empathy, and responsibility in how they connect people.
Well, Mr. Xiaoming, we appreciate very much your time for this interview. There has been very important information, so thank you very much.
My great pleasure.
Thank you.